How to create WhatsApp group. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to create a WhatsApp group, first of all launch open WhatsApp. Then make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on this plus icon. Here tap on the option of new group. Now you want to select the members. After you have selected the members, here you will have to enter your group name. You can also add some emojis in your group name. After that, if you want to turn on the disappearing messages, tap over here. And now you can start disappearing messages from here. If you want to change the group permissions, click on this group permissions option. And here you can change these settings. Once everything looks good, tap on this tick mark option. And as you can see, your new group has been successfully created. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.